partnership with Narma Inc., the county government of Tharaka Nithi embarked on a groundbreaking initiative, the Emergency Drone Program. This program aims to revolutionize healthcare delivery by utilizing cutting-edge technology to transport emergency health supplies and organs to those in need, even in the most remote areas. In the race against time, the speed and swiftness of the drone emerges as our most formidable allies. With each flight it carries not just aid but also a glimmer of hope. For every crucial moment that ticks away, the drone's rapid response becomes the difference between despair and salvation. As it zips through the air with unparalleled efficiency, the drone embodies the promise of a life saved, a family rejoiced. Its journey is a reminder that in Tharaka Nithi County, no one is left behind. With the steadfast commitment of the county government, every community member, regardless of their remoteness, is within reach of vital healthcare services.